Okay, let's talk about the skill that we need to be master, communication to the AI tools, or we start learning for the prompt engineering. Let's talk about the ChatGPT or the AI tools and how communicate with the AI tools or the prompt engineering. So firstly, before we try to communicate with AI, let understand the tool first. So today we're gonna show you a few tools, for example, like ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, and Gemini from Google. So first, let me show you the ChatGPT. So the ChatGPT is the AI that have the brain from the OpenAI we call GPT. GPT is the brain of the AI, but Gemini has the Google Gemini brain. Uh, but for Copilot, they have like OpenAI GPT as well. So back to the ChatGPT. ChatGPT right now is not only the assistant, but is also the agent. So it can understand general questions and can answer us, and also can do specific tasks. So if we see the ChatGPT here, so we can pick the brain or the model from the GPT-5 or the legacy one with the 4.0. Right? So in the meantime, so in the next versions, you're going to have 6, 7 that have a better one. So in the prompt itself, you can prompt by the voice, and also you can attach a file. If you click here, there is an agent that behind the ChatGPT, for example, like deep research, create image, or agent mode to control the mouse or add more source. So this is the one that behind the ChatGPT that you can specific to use in specific task for the agents. So if you want to try in like you to just prepare for a trip, for example, right? So this is a basic one that it's gonna give you the answer. But as we discussed before, the good prompt should be more than 21 words, right? So you should not just type in maybe 5 or 7 uh, words, but you need to talk more. So you're gonna get the better result. So and ChatGPT right now is very smart. So if you type the easy one like prepare for the trip and they don't want to answer that, they ask you back, right? So you need to be more specific. For example, okay, plan for a 1 day trip to Ayutthaya. Okay, you are the local guide with 20 years of experience. Okay, uh, present in table and summarize of the trip ending with tip and trick. Okay, go with family by car. Okay, but okay, you see. So what I prompt is I put the persona into the ChatGPT, right? I explain the task, I give them more context, and then I give the format. So this is the one that called a good prompt and a more effective prompt than the short one that I used before. So basically, it's gonna give the AI their persona, right? And it's gonna give the detail what I want to do, and also the output that I prefer. So this is the basic one that you need to understand. See? So I get the tables, and I also get the some tip summaries and the tip and trick. So this is the basic thing that you need to understand that, okay, this is the way that you should prompt. It should not be less than 9 words. So let's go to the next tool. So let's say here, right, it's a Copilot. So if I do the same thing, I start a new prompt, I run the same prompt. So if I run the same prompt, but it's a different tools, I will get the different result. Or even I use the same tool, I still get the different result because the model behind any AI tool or generative LLM or generative AI tool, they random for the answer for you. So I put the prompt in here, and then I get the result. Okay, they're still thinking. Okay, and estimate that very similar because the model behind is a GPT as well. Okay, but the good thing for the Copilot is you can export into the Word document, or you can export into the Microsoft product. So that is a good thing, and they also refer to the source for you. The last one that I want to show is a Gemini. So the Gemini also have the prompt input for you as well. Let me put the same thing. Okay, so I get it. I get the answer, right? I get the trip as well. But behind the Gemini, they are the model is different, not the GPT, but the model is from the Gemini. So, and I can export to the Google Sheet. Okay, so this is the difference. So when you communicate the AI tool, right, the different AI tool got the different answer because the brain behind the tool is different. And then for the input that you put it in, you need to put it in more detail. Google recommend 21 words, so you get the good result. So this is a basic for you to prompt to get the input from to get the preferred output and using the prompt.